Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have an exciting announcement to make. We've partnered with eCardsN.com to bring you a fantastic opportunity to win Google Play gift card codes. That's right, free credit to enhance your mobile gaming, unlock premium apps, and access amazing entertainment options. So, let's dive right in and show you how to get your hands on these incredible codes. First, let's take a look at the eCardsN.com website. It's a user-friendly platform that provides free Google Play gift card codes. To get started, open your web browser and type in eCardsN.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a clear layout with different options. As you can see, eCardsN.com offers various gift card options, including Google Play. Now, to access the Google Play gift card codes, simply click on the Google Play section. Once you're on the Google Play section, you'll notice that there are different denominations available. Choose the value you desire, ranging from $10 to $100. Now, here comes the fun part. To unlock your free Google Play gift card code, click on the Generate button. The eCardsN.com platform will then initiate the code generation process. This may take a few moments, as it ensures the legitimacy and security of the codes. Great! Your code is ready. But before we reveal it, eCardsN.com might ask you to complete a quick verification process. This is a necessary step to prevent abuse and ensure that only genuine users benefit from these codes. The verification process is straightforward and might require you to complete a short survey, install a free app, or perform a similar task. Don't worry, it won't take much of your time, and once you're done, you'll be rewarded with your Google Play gift card code. Congratulations! You have successfully obtained your Google Play gift card code from eCardsN.com. Now, let's see how to redeem it. To redeem your Google Play gift card code, open the Google Play Store app on your Android device or visit play.google.com on your computer's web browser. Once you're on the Google Play Store, navigate to the menu option and select Redeem. Now, carefully enter your Google Play gift card code in the provided space and click on Redeem. Voila! Your Google Play gift card code is redeemed successfully, and the credit is added to your account balance. You can now enjoy a wide range of exciting games, apps, movies, music, and more from the Google Play Store. And that's it, folks. With eCardsN.com, you have a